All right, let's talk about the Indira Institute of Engineering and Technology in Tiruvallur. Now, if you're in the middle of engineering admissions, there's one number you absolutely need to remember for this college, and that's its TNEA Code 1229. So let's be very clear about this. 1229. This is the code. Throughout the entire Tamil Nadu engineering admissions process, this number is how you'll find, identify, and select this specific college. So you'll want to write this one down.
Now, what about quality and standards? Well, the college has been accredited with a grade B by NAC. For parents listening, that's the national body that grades colleges. It's a solid endorsement of their academic quality, and this rating is valid all the way until 2030.
And here's another really important point. The college is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. That affiliation is a huge deal. It tells you about the curriculum they follow, the standard of exams, and ultimately, the value of the degree you're going to get.
Okay, so with those key highlights out of the way, let's dig a little deeper into the college's identity and its basic credentials.
So here are the quick facts. IIET is a self-financing college, and it's co-educational, so it's for both boys and girls. It was started way back in 2007. You'll find it in Pandur, which is in the Thiruvallur district. And for admissions, it's done through TNEA counseling, with that standard 65% government quota and 35% management quota split.
Every college starts with an idea, a reason for being. So let's look at the vision that actually started IIT in Thiruvallur.
So what was the big idea? The college was established by the Indira Educational and Charitable Trust, and their mission was really specific. They wanted to bring high-quality technical education to students from rural and middle-class families, right there in the Thiruvallur area. The goal was to build students who are motivated and can take initiative on their own. And you can kind of see that journey play out here. The trust was formed in 2002, and the college itself opened its doors in 2007. But look, they haven't just stood still. In 2023, they added a BTech in AI and data science, a very modern, forward-thinking move. And all that steady work was recognized in 2025 with their first grade B from NAC.
Okay, this is probably what you're most interested in. What can you actually study at IIET? Let's check out the engineering programs they offer.
The college offers a total of 6 undergraduate programs. You've got the foundational branches, right? Civil, computer science, EEE, ECE, and mechanical. But the one to really pay attention to is the newest one we just talked about, the BTech in artificial intelligence and data science. That's a direct response to what the industry is looking for today.
So if you add up the seats across all 6 of those branches, the total number of students they can take in the first year through TNEA is 330.
All right, let's shift gears now. Let's talk about the people who will be teaching you and the place where you'll be learning. What's the environment at IMAT really like?
The academic core of the college is its team of 56 permanent faculty members. That's the number based on the college's official data. And within that team, you'll find 7 faculty members who have earned their PhDs. Now, that's an important number because it points to a good level of academic expertise and research leadership at the institution. The campus itself is spread out over about 10.5 acres. Some of the key things that help with learning: there's a library with digital access through Delnet. Classrooms are equipped with modern teaching tools, and this is a really practical point. They have both solar and generator backup, so your classes won't be interrupted.
Now, for students who might be coming from other towns or cities, this is a big one. Yes, the college does have separate hostel facilities right on campus, for both boys and girls.
And what if you're a day scholar? Well, the college provides its own transport service. The campus is also pretty easy to get to, located just about 5 kilometers away from both the Thiruvallur railway station and the main bus stand.
Let's be honest, the whole point of an engineering degree is to land a good job, right? So let's look at how IIET prepares its students for their future careers. So let's talk numbers. Based on the data the college itself submitted to the TNEA authorities for the 2025 admission year, they've reported a placement rate of 80%.
So you might be wondering, how did they get to that 80% figure? A big part of the answer lies in their connections. The college is a partner in major government skill programs like Nalian Moodlevan, and they have tie-ups with big names like NASCOM and IBM. See, these aren't just logos on a brochure. These are real partnerships meant to give students the skills that companies are actually looking for.
Just before we wrap up, a quick heads up. All the information we've talked about today comes from the college's own website and government portals like TNEA and NAC, and it's all current as of March 2026. We hope this gave you a clear picture of Indira Institute of Engineering and Technology, TNEA Code 1229. To continue your college search, you can explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.